Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to hide your Instagram account from everyone. So, let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your phone. Next, tap on your profile at the bottom of the screen. Now, tap on the three lines in the top right corner. After that, tap on Account Privacy and turn on the Private Account option. This will make sure only approved followers can see your posts and profile. Next, go back, scroll down and tap on Messages and Story Replies. Here, under Who People Reach You, tap on Message Requests. Now, set Who can send you message requests to no one. Next, go back and tap on Story, Live and Location. From here, you can hide your story from specific people or even everyone. After that, go to Activity in Friends tab and turn it to No One, so no one can see when you're online. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.